walking in the rain, and the rain fell on me. Surely it fell on me. But I'm not worried anymore. Oh no, not like before. 'Cause I got somebody there walking in the rain with me. I've been walking in the rain, and the rain on me. I'm not worried anymore. Oh no, not like before. 'Cause I got somebody, yeah, thank you Jesus, walking with me. Oh, His grace has helped me overcome so many obstacles. And by my faith, I'm just not worried anymore. God's power, my God's power is greater than anything I've ever known. Said He would be with me through the storms and rain in my life. And I'm here to tell you, I'm holding on. Somebody walking with me. I got somebody. When I get lonely, when I get lonely, yeah. You know, a friend asked me the other day, you said, Paul, how can you smile when I know you got problems? And I have to take out a little time and tell that young man, don't you ever think that I don't have problems in my life. I find consolation in knowing that through all the rain, through all the storms, and through all my problems, I think about the song that says, Jesus, He promised never to leave me alone. I know, as long as I got Jesus, as long as He's holding my hand, I know early in the morning, late in the midnight hour, in the evening, I got somebody holding my hand. Acts the 16th chapter, the 19th verse to the 36th verse. How Paul and Silas was bound in jail. Oh, but they began to pray, and the earthquake came, and it shook the prison walls, and the chains fell from Paul and Silas. And, oh, I'm gonna tell you, they were made free. Oh, I got to tell you one thing. I've got Jesus. I've got Jesus. Ain't nobody taking away. Wow. Thank you, Jesus. I love oh, the rain keep pouring down, but I'm holding on, keep walking.